Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the stopwatch feature on your Garmin eTrex 10. So this is pretty simple. From the main menu, all we're going to do is we're going to use our toggle and we're going to arrow down till we see a menu option called stopwatch. We're going to press the toggle to select the stopwatch. Now before we start it, I always recommend that you press the menu button and predefine how you want to determine laps. Now some of you might not care about laps, you might just be looking to start and stop a stopwatch, that's fine. But some of you might be actually putting this in your pocket and doing some kind of exercise activity, and you want to be able to record whenever you've started another lap. If you press the menu button, you've got two different options in here. You can do lap by button press, which basically means you're going to manually tell the device whenever you've started another lap, or you can set a lap distance. So I'm going to go ahead and choose set lap distance, and you'll see you can choose how far have I gone before it starts another lap. So I'm just going to put in miles, and I'm going to say, let's do a quarter of a mile. So if I've gone a quarter of a mile, automatically start a second lap. Now you don't have to do that. Again, you can press the menu button, and instead of by distance, you can do lap by button press, and you'll see that when I start down here, I can simply press the button and say that I've indicated that I've started the second lap. Whenever we're ready to start a stopwatch, we're just going to press the toggle, and you'll see that the stopwatch has begun. Now you'll know down here, I've got a lap option, so if I want to manually record that I've hit a lap, I'll just move to that. You'll see that my lap count has restarted. I've done one lap. Here's my total time of my stopwatch. Here's my last lap time. Here's my total lap time, current lap time, lap distance, and then my average lap distance. Again, if I want to start another lap, I can press that and it'll keep going, so on and so forth. The top will always be your total stopwatch counter. And again, you can choose to do it by distance instead of manually using lap. You don't have to use lap at all. It's just an option if you're wanting to do it for an exercise. Once you're done, you can simply move your toggle switch over, choose stop. You've successfully stopped your stopwatch. When you want to reset it, you can press the reset and it'll reset your values. And then, as like everything else, once you're done, you can simply press the back button and you've successfully used the stopwatch feature on your eTrex 10. I hope the video makes sense. If you've got any questions, post them in the comments. Be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.